Hey everyone, happy days, happy days. So today is, if you guys can all see, it is Wednesday, December the 30th. I went into the T-Mobile store this Monday around noontime because I got a email or a letter from T-Mobile saying that my jump on demand contract was ending in like 40 days and they required that I take action. So I went into the store and I had three options. So I can keep my jump on demand. I can pay this phone off, my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, monthly. I can start a new contract, or I can keep my old contract if I upgrade to a new phone, or I just pay this off in full. So what I did was, if you guys see my previous video recently with all my Note 10 Plus clear cases that I did a year in review, or like 1 year later, and how they fared. I talked about that where I didn't want to get the Note, and then even in a previous video, it was very odd because I was saying that I was recording with my Note 10, with my V60, but it was actually my Note 10 Plus, and I said, well, maybe I'm thinking about getting the V60. And here it is, the V60, just 2 days later. I'm not sure if I'm even going to publish this video just because there's all kinds of videos out already for the V60. But this will be my new backup recording device for my channel. So my Panasonic G85, the lens did get fixed, but even though the lens on the has like resolved itself and my lens issue, I've still been using my Note 10 Plus as the main recorder, and theoretically should have a better camera for video recording. The V60 line has always been good with video recording. That's what they're made for, and I've always had a soft spot for LG's V60 series of smartphones. Right now, I'm recording with my LG V35 ThinQ, whatever people say, or I say thank you. You say thank you. Here is my old LG V10. This is the first phone that launched the V series line. And I don't know if it doesn't work anymore. I think I need a new battery. And this is the skin that I made for it. It's like it's supposed to be a color shift skin, but the colors don't even shift no more, except for that Marine Corps logo right there, hologram logo that I put onto it. Hoorah! Anyways, if I am gonna publish this, then let's unbox it. There's probably hundreds of unboxing videos already, so that's why I'm not sure if I want to unbox it or put the video out. So it's just a plain black box, the LG V60 ThinQ, dual screen, nothing else. Two small LG V60 ThinQ letters in the back, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. You don't need to see that. Those are all the serial numbers and whatnot. A warning sticker, important, and another one right here. So yeah, they're both the same. So you can probably pause that, read it for yourself if you guys can read that. All the LG and branding, Qualcomm, Snapdragon branding, and whatever. So more LG branding here up top. Let's just open it up. The only thing that put me off from the V60 is like, man, how am I going to downgrade from a 1080p screen from a 1440p screen? And then the other thing was this only has 8 gigs of RAM built in and 128 gigs of storage, whereas this has 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. I'll probably do a comparisons in the future between the V60, my Note 10 Plus, and also my V35, LG V35. So what should we look at first? Let's look at the main thing, the phone, and see what it comes with. And then we'll go to the dual screen. More stuff to cut. Whoa. Phone almost fell off top. So wouldn't be a V60 without the they give you the complimentary microfiber cloth with LG logo. Here is the V60. I got the classic blue. It also comes in classy white. I guess that's their two colors. You get a SIM card, although I'll probably just take the one out of here and put it onto there. And do you get any headphones? You know what? It's odd. I saw all kinds of V60 reviews. I haven't seen any unboxings talking about how this phone is like the best value for flagship. So all you get is the your micro USB cable and your power brick, and then your SIM eject tool, and probably the manuals are inside here. As you can see, you don't need to see that. That's not important. What is important is right here, the LG V60. So let's take it out of the plastic. There we go. And there it is. Compared with my Note 10 Plus, let me take out my Note 10 out of its case. So we can compare them side by side. So they seem to be the same as far as size goes. Let's see. V60 looks a little bit thicker, and it's probably a little bit taller. Yep. But not as wide as the Note 10 Plus. The one thing that I miss with LG, the V series line, is I love that dual screen. They used to have like a screen up top where it shows you all your, your name information and stuff like that. I used to have mine with my customized, logo with my name on it on this V10 and also on the V20. And then when they got to the V30, they got rid of it. And they just they baked it into the software. So here's how the V60 looks, the latest of the V series lines looks compared to the first of the V series lines. It's taller, but not as wide, and it's a lot thicker. This did have the removable back though, where you could still swap out your batteries, which is what I was planning to do. As you can see, I don't have the battery because it bubbled up. So that's the V60. And I don't know if you guys could see it, or the V10. And right here, it's got dual cameras, and then this part, I don't know if it's showing. on camera, but that's the that's the top screen right there, and it's a separate screen. So should we power it up and see if there's any power? Wait. We got to look at the dual screen first. So here is the dual screen. It's just a black case with the extra screen. Because I don't got no fingernails. There it is. So the one thing I don't like with the dual screen is this up front is all glass, but the only display part is up here. So there's a lot more chances of like if you drop this, this is what's going to get jacked up, is this glass in the front right here. And if you guys don't know, with the Velvet, when the LG when they launched the Velvet, the only part that was glass was the top part, and then the rest was like this material right here, like silicone or rubber. And so there's the dual screen. You get a quick start guide, and you get this connector right here that you have to you need to use, and it detaches right here if you want to charge your phone. And from what I've read, this is very easy to lose, so I hope I don't lose this anytime soon. But you can also charge your the V60 while it's inside the case wirelessly also. So that's that. Okay, so what I also got is I'm not gonna rock the dual screen like if I go to the gym and work out, so I need a regular case for that. My the screen protectors that I got screen protectors for the front, two like tempered glass screen protectors, and then it was a kit, you guys will see it in the future, where it has the PET, like the plastic or PETA film, the film screen protectors for the inside, because you can't use like a tempered glass screen protector on here and then a tempered glass screen protector on the phone itself, or else the case won't close, and you'll probably crack the glass if you try to close it flush. So I plan on putting a glass screen protector here on the outside, and then the glass screen protector on the phone itself, and then put the PET film screen protector on the dual screen right here. So what I also got is this. This is the one of my favorite case companies, Ghost Tech, with their R2X impact technology. This is the Covert 4. I do have the Covert 3 for my Note 10 Plus, and it's this is the Ghost Tech. This is the same as this one as far as color. It's like the smoke colored tinted case, so I don't have to worry about yellowing out, and I think it'll look good with the blue color right here instead of all clear, crystal clear. But that is for the other video. If you guys have any questions, let me know what you guys want me to do with the V60 as far as comparisons. I'm gonna do mostly like sound comparisons. I'm gonna try it out with my different headphones and see if the V60 sounds is a better option or is a good upgrade coming from the V60 to the V35 ThinQ, and it probably is. It's going to be a good upgrade. And then I'm going to also do comparisons with the Note 10 Plus. So if you guys have any suggestions what you want me to do with V60, the dual screen, what I should compare it with, sound test and everything like that, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, everybody, Happy New Year. If this video gets published before the New Year's, if not, Happy New Year too, because it will be a new year if I publish it after January, or on January the 1st, or after January the 1st. So everybody, that's it. Stay safe, take care, and we will see you soon for another video. Have a great day.